Dive into the heart of French Polynesia's culinary pride with Poisson Cru, a dish that's more than just a meal. It's a cultural voyage. Known as Tahitian Ceviche, this raw fish delight shares its roots with Hawaii's poke and the Cook Islands' ikamata, but with a unique island twist. Imagine the fresh catch of tuna or mahi-mahi, marinated to perfection in zesty lime juice and creamy coconut milk, then tossed with crisp vegetables. This isn't just food, it's a tradition passed down from ancient Polynesian voyagers who preserved their fish with citrus on long oceanic journeys. Each bite of Poisson Cru is a testament to the island's bountiful seas and fertile lands, with every ingredient sourced locally. The fish, caught by the hands of skilled fishermen, and the vegetables, grown under the Polynesian sun, come together in a symphony of flavors. But Poisson Cru isn't confined to one recipe. From the Society Islands coconut milk variation to the Tuamotu Islands coconut cream twist, regional differences add a delightful diversity to this beloved dish. Served as a light lunch or a festive appetizer, it's a staple at communal feasts, symbolizing sharing and generosity. In the dance of French and Polynesian flavors, Poisson Cru has evolved, embracing French culinary influences like lime and herbs while maintaining its traditional essence. Today, it stands as a vibrant reflection of French Polynesia's past and present, a dish that continues to tell the story of its people with every shared plate. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.